When the price of one Bitcoin will reach $100,000, do you want to regret you didn't buy at $28,000? There's no point to regretting now that you didn't buy Bitcoin in 2010, 2015 or 2018. Now you can make a better decision. When Bitcoin will reach $100,000, you will regret that you didn't buy at $28,000 in 2020. Everyone who ever bought Bitcoin is now in profit. Even the people that bought at the top in 2017. There's no room for regrets. It's not too late to get into Bitcoin, not even at $28,000. We are still very early to the party. As hard as it is to believe, most people haven't heard about Bitcoin yet. And even if they heard about it, they are too scared or don't know how to invest. In March, when Bitcoin hit $4,500, you would hear fearful people say it's going to zero, so they didn't buy. In July, when it hit $10,000, it looked too expensive for them. Now, at $28,000, they are rushing in to buy some. Humans are so illogical. Leave a comment to this video and let me know if you are buying Bitcoin now or if you are fearful to invest. Stop overcomplicating things and just start buying $5, $10 worth, or how much Bitcoin you can afford, and continue doing that every week, no matter if the price for one Bitcoin is $30,000 or $3,000. Keep accumulating. If you are scared that the price will drop in the near future, just keep accumulating this way. If you truly believe Bitcoin has a future, just buy now and hold it for the years to come. Will the Bitcoin price drop? For sure, 100%. When? I have no idea. By how much? No one knows. When the Bitcoin price drops, successful investors buy more because we see it as an opportunity. It's a discount, not a crash. You like buying things at a discount? Do the same with Bitcoin. Does Bitcoin drop by 30%? Great. Don't be fearful, go on a shopping spree. Do you want to understand why the price of Bitcoin will go to $100,000 in the next couple of years? Watch the video that I put on the screen right now, where I explain exactly the logic behind this prediction. I'll see you there.